as we come to a moment like this, realize and recognize that this is another step in a story that has been unfolding now for some time. And your gathered family and friends would like to know a little bit about that story.
Cole is my rock. Whenever things get stressful, I can go to Cole and he will be my stable place. Being around Cole renews my energy and brings me peace.
My favorite quality about Katie is the energy that she brings to a room. Whenever we gather with friends or family and she's not around, we have a good time. But as soon as she enters the room, it becomes an amazing time.
I knew Cole was the one when our relationship got to a point where life with him was 1,000,000 times better than when he wasn't around. I knew I could make the commitment of marriage when I saw that he excelled at being a spiritual leader and reminded me to follow Christ.
Because you're loved, you can love. Because you love, you can choose. And because you can choose, you can enjoy peace and growth. May God bless you each step of the journey that lies ahead.
My beloved Cole, how can I say on paper how much you mean to me? It is near impossible. You make me feel like $1,000,000 and so treasured. Thank you for being my rock and strength. I took you to be my spiritual leader, my financial compass, my emotional beacon, my singing buddy, and my best friend for life. I feel so lucky to have captured your heart. I adore you so much and can't wait to marry you and say I do every day for the rest of our lives. I love you now and forever. Love, Katie.
When I was 22 years old, I described the perfect spouse in my journal. I wrote the qualities that I desire in the man I would spend the rest of my life with. Those qualities are a man that loves God, is unceasingly loyal, a man that is honest with me in all things, and a man who is patient with me and others, and a man who has vision for his life mission. I've never been so sure of anything in my life. I have found someone who encompasses these qualities and more. Your love of God is so deep and honest that it inspires me to see Christ with all my being. Thank you for treasuring me and my dreams and making this commitment to you the easiest decision of my life. I'm yours and yours alone. I love you.
My father always told me to never grow old, but I'm overjoyed to grow old with you. In your eyes, I have found my home. In your heart, I have found overflowing love. In your soul, I have found my mate. Experiencing life with you has filled me with overwhelming joy. You make me feel whole and alive when I'm with you. I vow my life in its entirety to you alone, forever and always.